Here's a 2018 Audi A5 Coupe. A dual threat in inspiring performance and passionate design. It'll elevate your driving experience. It comes nicely equipped with features you'll love. Wireless audio streaming, front heated leather bucket seats, refrigerated box located in the glove box, express open and close tilting sunroof, auto shift manual transmission, gas pressurized shocks, external memory control, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Audi forges sophistication and performance into each iconic vehicle. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
At Audi Marietta, we prove every day that buying a car can be an enjoyable experience. We're conveniently located on Rottenwood Drive in Marietta, Georgia.